Welcome to All Motors Brand, your go-to channel for everything automotive, where we bring you the latest updates, detailed reviews, and expert insights on cars, trucks, and everything in between. Whether you are a gearhead, a truck enthusiast, or simply someone looking for your next ride, this is the place for you. Today, we are diving deep into the 2026 Chevy Colorado vintage pickup, a modern truck wrapped in classic styling that brings back the timeless charm of vintage pickups with all the capabilities of a modern-day performer. The 2026 Chevy Colorado vintage pickup is a nostalgic yet forward-thinking offering from Chevrolet. At first glance, it captures your attention with its retro-inspired design that pays homage to the rugged pickup trucks of the past. From the rounded fenders to the classic grille and vintage badging, everything about this truck screams heritage, while still managing to feel fresh and refined. Chevrolet has clearly put thought into the details, making this truck a true standout on the road. Under the hood, the 2026 Colorado Vintage comes with a 2.7-liter turbocharged four-cylinder engine that produces impressive horsepower and torque. It provides strong performance both on the highway and off-road, with a responsive powertrain and smooth-shifting automatic transmission. For those looking for a little more muscle, there is also an available high-output version of the same engine, delivering even greater towing capability and off-road strength. Speaking of capabilities, this truck is no slouch when it comes to practical performance. It offers a solid towing capacity of over 7,500 pounds and is equipped with an advanced trailering package, electronic stability control, and multiple drive modes, including an off-road mode that optimizes suspension and traction. Whether you are hauling equipment or heading out for a weekend adventure, the 2026 Colorado Vintage gets the job done with confidence. Inside, the cabin blends old-school vibes with modern tech. You will find high-quality materials, vintage-inspired upholstery, and a large touchscreen infotainment system that supports wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. The layout is driver-focused with intuitive controls, ample storage, and comfortable seating for long drives. Safety has also been given priority with standard features like automatic emergency braking, lane keeping assist, and blind spot monitoring. In summary, the 2026 Chevy Colorado Vintage pickup is a refreshing fusion of the past and present, offering bold looks, dependable performance, and modern convenience in one well-rounded package. If you appreciate classic style but do not want to compromise on today's technology and reliability, this truck is definitely worth considering. Thank you for watching All Motors Brand. If you enjoyed this video and want more content like this, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for the latest automotive news and reviews.